Oh, hiccup. Uh-oh. Guys, no! I don't have hiccups. It was all a lie. Hold on. No! I thought I got rid of them. Shoot. Oh, it hurts my chest. Oh! Gosh dang it. Okay. Why the hell would you... Why would you lend a movie to your pizza guy? I'm sure he thought you were... Oh my god. How do you get rid of hiccups? Like... I can't stop him. Hold your breath. I can't hold my breath. Oh! I was holding my breath. I can't do it, guys. Self-care. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Stupid camper Spencer. Cleansing breath. Okay, okay. Oh! That one was so loud! Okay, okay. Sure, were you trying to scare me? Trying to scare the hiccups out of me? 100% professional. It hurts. It's so deep. Okay, let me drink some more. Okay, okay, maybe if we just don't think about it, maybe it'll just no one acknowledge it. We're moving on. What? $1,000? Alright.